What are we doing, guys?
Whistle.
Must be up. Whistle competition. Let's see who can get. Like, we're gonna try to guess each other's songs while one person's whistling. So we're going to the beach, and we got all the stuff packed in the back, and we got our McDonald's, and we're ready to go. Hit the whip! All right, so let's get started. So Roger, you're first. Go. I don't know what that is. What about you?
I'm bad, okay?
No, you have no idea.
Want to think just like
Nope.
Nope, incorrect. What is it? I don't know.
What is it?
Paris.
Paris? Oh, okay.
Okay, my turn.
All right, your turn. Go. She's still deciding. And I came. Let's go. Who's that unicorn pal you have, Savannah?
Unicorn!
Sorry, repeat it again, Savannah. Do rules.
Dang it.
All right, my turn. Okay, here we go. Believer? Got it, Roger. Dang it.
Okay, my
All right,
turn.
go, Roger.
My turn.
No, it's Roger's turn. He hasn't gone. What is that?
No.
No.
I'll give you a clue. Animals.
No. What is it?
No.
What is it?
What does the fox say?
Oh, okay.
What should I do?
Like, what does the fox say? All right, move your face so I can see something.
So I just remember my song, but now I forgot.
You forgot it? All right, you got your song, Missy? Go. Pink fluffy unicorn dancing on rainbow. Pink fluffy. My turn. My turn. Okay.
My turn? I don't know. I don't know
You don't know it? It's Stressed Out by 21 Pilots.
Oh. Okay.
Saw the hype and how well he did in his. It might have been a.
All right. So what should we do since we're bored now?
It's insane he had to.
What'd you do?
he had to tweet basically.
You gonna go to sleep? Okay, bye. What about you?
Put in what was it? The best running number from a linebacker in
I am a
15
weird
years.
person.
Yeah, exactly. I
He
mean,
should have to
you
fight.
look at the
Hello?
numbers that he put up in college. The number one overall pick.
There's
last
all the
year,
stuff back
I don't know
there.
if you're happy with this,
I
but
am
Miles
gonna-
Garrett was the number one overall pick from the Browns a
My
year ago.
pillow's too fat.
Comparatively, stat for stat, what he was able to produce in college.
wait, a little
Griffin's
comment.
stats line up
Do
with
not
the number one
use
overall
the
pick
beds
from
or
last year.
pillows.
Move your head,
He's
Richard.
typical
Use the
size,
bed or
and that's the
sheets
reason
at
that
the
guy gets drafted
hotel.
one overall. And I'm not saying
We want
Griffin
this video.
should be a first
They
overall
spray
pick.
Inside edition, they spray like a little spray, and then you can explain the rest.
They,
Oh
yeah, Richard, they double mush? Yes, they left the room they left it there, and then they did it like nothing happened, and then the next day,
give up in their
they checked out, and then they went, the next day they checked back in, and then they found, then they put on a special light, and then they saw that, like,
UV ray lights, to be exact.
I'm gonna get a new model faces. It wasn't clean. It wasn't clean.
And when it's chilling, we have about maybe like an hour or like two more, like how much? 30 miles away till we reach the Smyrna Beach. So
30 miles? How much is that?
That's maybe like 26 minutes,
There's
I
a
think,
reason why
about
there's
there.
so many freak athletes.
48 minutes. So this boy got a little excited. So we'll see you guys there. Welcome to this. Hey guys, welcome to the second part of the video. So as you can see, we are at our hotel room on the balcony. Say hi.
Hi.
And there's the view right there of the beach.
I'm so excited.
And I'm really excited too. Also, I got my pillow. And so make sure to hit that subscribe button and like, comment, and also to hit that notification. That's what the napkin said in the car. So here's a tour of our room. Come on. So this is the balcony door. This is the living room. Woo-hoo. Woot woot. Then you walk up the stairs, and this is the master bedroom. Woohoo! And then this is me and my Cece's room. We got a bed for me and a bed for her. And then look at the surprise little window. Come over here. The little window right here is cool. But the only oddest thing is that there's no oven. Like the kitchen has no oven. The oddest thing ever. So my dad can't cook any chicken. You watching the news?
There's no kids channel.
Oh yeah, that's true. But then we could call room service. Oh my god.
We could just do this. In Dubai, they have these phones that you just and then you could order breakfast. You could be like, hello.
I know. That's what you guys can do too. There's a breakfast.
We could
Like,
just be
we
like-
could just go to floor number 2 and we just go and we can get breakfast there.
Yeah,
and I got my backpack.
the
Cause
worst-
convenience.
for a
I
second-
got
for a
picked up from
second,
school
we're
and then we went to the beach.
For a second, I thought we were gonna have to like sleep with this open.
You can sleep with their clothes. This is so funny. Oh my god. And then over here, let me just get out of the room. And then finally, this corner over here. Sorry, it's a little dark, but there's not lights. In here is the bathroom. Ooh. The oddest thing is that there's no like stove.
This is the creepiest part. Look, if you walk over here, there's like no opening.
I know. So we're probably most likely not gonna go in the pool. Like I'm gonna show you the view of the pool. So here's a view of the pool. It's down there. And as you can see, it's a little windy. And sorry for the audio because it's very windy. And there's the beach out right there. Whoop, whoop. Right now it is about 6:09. We arrived here at 5:45, and then we checked into the hotel and got in our room by 5:50. And so there's like a view of the beach, and we get a view of the pool. And so we're most likely not gonna go to the pool or the beach today because it's really windy, and if we come out of the water we're gonna feel shivering. And so yeah, but this is a very different experience because I used to go to a hotel. The room was a little bigger and there was an oven and the pool was really big and we had a good view. But yeah, so I'll see you guys in the next video, and I hope you guys enjoyed it. Make sure to stay tuned for tomorrow's vlog. I will probably be vlogging while we're in the water because I don't want to get my phone wet. So thank you guys for watching this video. Make sure to hit that like and subscribe button, and make sure to turn on your notifications to see when the next video comes out. Alright, and comment down below #beachvacay. Alright guys, bye.